What's up guys, and it's time for the most requested battery drain test of the year, Apple versus Samsung in 2025 with some of their best flagship phones. We've got the iPhone 17 Pro Max against the Galaxy S25 Ultra versus iPhone Air versus the Galaxy S25 Edge. The most ultra phones from both companies as well as the thinnest phones from both companies. Who is going to prevail in this epic battery battle? We're going to be testing out everything from social media usage to gaming to camera usage, all that stuff to really see who is the ultimate battery king. This is a Wi-Fi only test with screen brightness calibrated as equal as possible, and there is no SIM card on any of these devices. Will the iPhone Air give us a full day battery performance as Apple promised, or is it gonna crumble? Well, everything is gonna be answered in this video right after this. The best wireless chargers to make your life easy are here. Check this out, a MagSafe style battery that you barely know is there because it's so thin, and a 67 watt fast retractable charger that allows you to say goodbye to every cable mess ever. Introducing Taurus Mini Mag wireless power bank and Taurus FlexLine 67 watt retractable fast charger. First up, Mini Mag. It is ridiculously thin at just about 0.3 inches thick with strong magnetic attachment using MagSafe on the back of the phone. It delivers MagSafe style magnetic wireless charging of up to 7.5 watts with up to 18 watt wired charging with a long-lasting 5000 mAh battery inside. It's super slim, super portable, and very easy to carry. Then we have the Taurus FlexLine 67 watt fast charger with the retractable cable that is an absolute game-changing feature. With up to 67 watt power, you can easily charge multiple devices at the same time. The cable extends up to 2.23 feet, meaning less cable clutter, especially when you're traveling around. So if you're looking for a unique and innovative charging solution for the iPhones, then Mini Mag plus FlexLine might just be the perfect setup. Be sure to check out the special links in the description below and check it out. Alrighty, so kick back, relax, because this is going to be a long one. As always, I'll see you guys on the other side. Alright, what a battery drain test battle. This has been pretty long and gruesome to film, but wow. Apple did not lie, they definitely delivered on their promise, and I have to say Samsung's One UI 8 is definitely not as kind on battery, especially for the S25 Ultra model. Taking a look at the final battery timing, first one to go was the Galaxy S25 Edge at 8 hours 45 minutes. Then comes the iPhone Air at 8 hours 57 minutes. Honestly, I did not expect this performance out of this thin phone with the smallest battery of them all. The A19 Pro is truly an efficiency beast. Then we have the S25 Ultra at 9 hours 18 minutes. And then finally we have the monster that is the iPhone 17 Pro Max at 11 hours 53 minutes. Again, this is the physical SIM model, so the eSIM model has an even bigger battery, so it might be able to do like 12 hours plus easy. But even with the physical SIM, this thing is just an absolute dominating beast. Now, this battery drain test was different compared to the last one I did because we actually played PUBG way more and we didn't play Asphalt 9 at all, so PUBG definitely took a lot of battery. I did this to push the phones to the maximum limits. With that being said, I will say that the One UI 8 is definitely more of a battery hog on the S25 Ultra, so hopefully Samsung can improve that with the software update. Now, why did Apple prevail? Well, this comes all down to the optimization with the A19 Pro chip. We're also focused on the performance cores, but the most improved ones are the efficiency cores this year. Like literally A19 Pro is the reason why iPhone Air even defeated the S25 Edge, and it's not that far from the battery timings of the S25 Ultra. Overall, I have to say battery performance is impressive across the board. However, 17 Pro Max is in a completely different league, lasting almost 12 hours, which is like nearly 2.5 or 3 hours almost more than the S25 Ultra. What do you guys think about this? Let me know in the comment section below. Apple did not lie. I'm pretty surprised with the battery performance of the iPhone Air as well. Again, if you guys are new here, be sure to subscribe to the channel and let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't miss out on the future videos. With that being said, I'll catch you guys later. Peace out.